2026. Looks like this is just always gonna pop up like this without my things, which sucks because I have to freaking set it up every single day. Don't know why it's been doing that. It's like, what the heck, right? So I have to delete and reset this and add my time frames. Just one more extra task to do, but alright, so that's that. And it would delete that first one. Alright, so we got the weekly. Alright, so we got the weekly, daily. Inside of that, candle that gap down and moved up. 4 hour below whatever this is. So looking for a new and fresh line that hasn't been really broken, right? 1 hour. Like the other day, this one was a nice one. Yeah, price zipped through it, but price really held it. And then at the sometime around later on, we had a nice sell with this one, right? So it probably looks like it's trying to go back to it. I'm not too fond of it because, well, price has already moved away from it, so I'm not really gonna pay attention to it. But I use it as a level of a target level. I'll say that. That's what I need to start doing. All right, new level down here. I like this one. 30 minutes. I'm gonna drag it out. All right, so we're gonna drag that one out. Let's zoom out a bit. Let's see if there's anything that supports this. Got something down here, down here. I can't really see anything down there yet, so let's go to 75 and take a look and see. Yep, aggressive buying here on the 75. Aggressive buying on the 50. Go to 75 real quickly. That's a buy. That's a sell buy. Absorption. And all right, let's go to. I don't know why I put time from on there like I needed to. $30 is fine. Put a 50 tick chart. Good. All right. So we can see that yes, price kind of went above it, but that one looks like yo, not really. All right. All right, not really, my guy. All right, want to clear all of this as price came up, and then 20 tick chart. Really nothing there. Okay. Maybe something right here, but you know, I'm not gonna hold my breath. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go. I'm gonna clear all of these lines here. I want to look at what price is doing. What a freaking buy at the end of the day. All right, price had a little drop here. Price was looking very wonky, very weird yesterday. Wasn't really giving much, but definitely something around here point that I can't really put my finger on. Going to mark this like that. I'm gonna go backwards real quickly. See if there's any aggressive buying here. Somewhat. This one for sure. Let's go to 50. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bow 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 bow. In a day run. Yeah. Let's go to 25. Yeah, lots of volume came in here. Was it news that came in? Right at the market close, prices decided to just explode up. Let's see here. Today is the 25th. Trump speaks later on today. I don't see nothing here. And I don't see anything here. So I don't know. Oh, forgot to look at earnings. Nothing that I know of. Let's look at oil. This is at the close, right? Let's got oil. They didn't do a damn thing. No, it dropped. It dropped. At the close, it dropped. Okay. Interesting. Alright, let's go back to ES. Back to 30 on ES. Alright, so we're gonna look into that. Let's see, hopefully we can get something from it. But for the mean part, these lines can go and get rocks. I'm gonna readjust the settlement price eventually. This 5-minute high is no longer good. I'm not gonna mess with it. Price looks very crazy here. We're targeting that 1 hour level. Let's add in settlement price since we're already here. I know I had the time clock set up. I don't know why it's not there. Oh, I moved it up. Funny. Alright. I have moved it up. There it is. Alright. So now we're trying to see what we can find as far as volume, support and resistance lines around these areas here. Got a new one here, 5-minute. I like this one. Not 15-minute. I like the idea of this. We do kind of have volume right here on the 25. Not much on the 20. Nothing at all there. And also somewhat on the 75, but the 25 seems to be what's sell by and fell and retested. We'll make this a 15-minute time frame. I'll mess with that. It's a new level. Let's go on to another level. Kind of like that. Price bounce off of it nicely, but looks like it was a gap. Okay, but can we find volume there? Tick chart. Yeah, I don't see anything. And the price bounced off of it. Like, bow. We don't even have news coming out. Let's see what we get out of it, but I don't see much for that one. All right, 5 minutes. Okay, we're done here. I'm gonna mark this area. Let's go to the 75 and then work our way backwards. Strong line. The 50. All right, so it's a 25. Probably give us the best solution as far as we got a nice little block. Okay, so from this low to this high, extend out. Alright, that's what we want. And that's settlement price. Alright, cool. Get rid of that. That's a very key area of interest. It's going to add the low and the highs of yesterday. There's the low back here, yes. Alright. Oh, yesterday's high. Okay, I like that. Okay. Let's go to NQ. Let's go to the 30-minute first and see how price reacted. Kind of holding this area here. New low down here. Before I do that, let's add the high. Let's go to the weekly just to see what price is doing, and daily see where price is within. 4 hour to see what's going on. I have to come on the 4 hour level. One hour. Zoom out. See that this can go. It can be adjusted. Let's bring this up one, up one. Let's grab settlement price. Paste that. The solid settlement price with that one. Okay, 30 minutes. All right, let's zoom out. Gonna go up first, even though I don't think I see anything going up. Maybe. Let's try work my way backwards after that. A lot of volume with that dip. 275. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Alright, Bet. I'm gonna grab this one here. That low. All right, bow. Okay. I already did 200. Look, this is 150, right? 150. Yeah. All right. Okay. We might be done with this one. It's also a 30-minute time frame. This goes to the 15. Okay. Minutes. Sell here. A lot of buys. Not breaking and sell here. All right. 5 minutes. Okay. So that's still a tough zone. All right. Let's go to VIX. I'm gonna call it here. .30-minute time frame is where I'm at. Okay. Doesn't look like price did much yesterday. Doesn't look like price is doing much today. High slightly moved up. The low barely moved. We're in a tight range of garbage. Right. So we got a 1 hour here, low right here, low right there. A lot of stuff to potentially try to break. I don't think I have much to work with, and that's fine. We're not gonna sweat it. Mark that, and I think I'm gonna call it here for my markings. I think that's pretty much what I got. I'm not gonna sweat anything else. All right, so that's it. Yeah, that's it. So no major news today. Trump speaks later on tonight. 7:20 p.m. Hopefully it's all good news. Oh, we got petrol. I'm gonna add this one because that's oil, and that has been affecting the market quite a lot today. So we're gonna add that news. I think it comes at 10:30, correct? 10:30 news for oil. I'm gonna grab this one here and then put it to the 25th. There. All right, when that comes out. All right, done. 15-minute time frame it is. Keeping an eye on that.